Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making native jollof rice, so keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Here are my ingredients: dry snail, dry catfish, dry prawns, crayfish, iru, palm oil, tatashe, pepper, onions, tomato paste, ugu leaves, seasoning cubes and salt to taste. First I'll add palm oil in a pot and allow it to heat up. Next I'll add iru, grounded crayfish and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. I will mix very well to combine and allow it to fry for 3 minutes. 3 minutes later I will add my pepper mix, a combination of onions, tatashe and scotch bonnet pepper. I will mix very well to combine and add seasoning cubes, dry prawns, dry snail and dry catfish, which I deboned and washed really well. I will add all-purpose seasoning, mix very well to combine and add my well-washed rice. I will mix very well to combine and add water that will be enough to cook the rice. Taste for salt, cover with parchment paper or foil and allow it to cook on a medium to low heat. At this time, I check on the rice and it still have some bit of water. I'm going to mix and add my vegetable. I'm using ugu. After adding the vegetable, I will cover and allow it to wilt. Minutes later, I will give it a good mix and we are done. It turned out so delicious. I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.